And I get, oh, ooh, there we go. Okay, iMac, let's play. What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid. A couple of you guys out there was asking your boy, like, yo, CKid, are you getting a brand new M1 iMac? Am I getting a brand new M1 iMac? Does a bear in the woods? Of course I'm getting a brand new M1 iMac. You see all this M1 content I'm dropping on the channel for y'all. I got the orange color here, so I'm gonna be unboxing it in this video here. Also, gonna be setting it up here and then showing some of the top features that I'm personally excited for. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open. Okay, iMac, let's play. M1, it's May. Bossed up cause it's my birthday. Undressing like I'm trying to get the first base. With these chips, man, they leading it in first place. With all these colors, man, I'm trying to catch the bouquet. Tell me what you need, more bars, greed halfway. Touch the keys, never freeze, let it breathe. Matching needs, man, please. Magic mouse in the house, when in doubt, let it out, gain clout, let's route. If you rock with this intro, hit the like button. If you proud, it's a sub, say it loud. Let's get this video poppin', spit some facts, break it down one time for the squad. Alright, y'all, so let's not waste no more time. Let's go ahead and crack this bad boy. Oh, first off, I want you guys to know I am wearing this orange shirt. I'm trying to coordinate this whole thing that's going down today with the orange color. I even got the orange pillow right here. You see it. You know what I mean? I'm doing some things. Oh, before I actually open this up, I want you guys right now, go ahead and comment down below how many likes is on this video at the time of you guys are watching. And you know, I got a little something for you towards the end of this video, so stick around for that. One thing I gotta say right off the back is that I like is this band that you guys get here on the top of it. I think it actually looks really, really good. It's like a fabric band, and it also serves as a good carrying case, so I highly recommend you guys keep the box. Okay. Oh, that box is fire. So it like collapses. You guys can see right here. It like opens up and then it just closes. That's pretty dope. Oh man, this is super light. We get our keyboard here, as you guys can see. We get our matching cable. We get the power adapter that also has the Ethernet port built on it as well. And then you also get your Magic Mouse that actually matches the whole aesthetics of this bad boy. Woohoo, that looks super clean. All right, we got a sticker here. So we got two of our stickers here. So they actually are two tones. This color, which is the back of it, and then you got this color, which is more so the front pastel color of the orange. Last but not least, we get our power cable, which is just white. So there you guys have that. I think that's everything that we get in here. So let me move that out of the way. All right, so let's go ahead and move this. All right, here we go. Here we go, here we go. All right, so this is what the back actually looks like, so you guys can see it right here. So let's go ahead and peel off the paper, peel off the screen. Oh, let's go. All right, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. So my first just impression of looking at this screen, I can't even lie, man. It actually does look pretty freaking good in person. Now, at first I was like, this white bezel around it. Now, don't get me wrong. I would have still preferred a black bezel. Honestly, it would go well within my setup that I have because like I said, I have matching orange pillows. I got paintings and stuff like that that kind of matches this aesthetic. I will say, kind of wish the bottom here was the same orange that we get on the base as well as what we get on the back that you guys can see, which is more of a vibrant orange. So let's go ahead and peel off this part here so you guys can see. It almost has like a glowing effect on the back of the Apple logo here, which actually looks dope on this orange if you look at it a certain way. We get two Thunderbolt ports and we get two additional USB-C ports. Got your power over here, and then underneath it, we have our speaker grills. Now the front camera that you guys are seeing right here, this is going to be the brand new 1080p camera that I'm super hyped for because for the longest, Apple cameras on their computers wasn't the best. Screen-wise, I am a fan of much larger screens, so I am looking forward to the 27-inch that possibly is going to be coming with this. And this model here looks really freaking good in person. All right, so let's go ahead and plug everything up. Now, one thing that's different with the power cable that we got in the past is like this one here has like this whole magnetic build to it. All right, so on the bottom here, we have this new kind of connector port, and then it kind of just like snaps in place. Like it's just like a magnetic, like snap in place. And it's pretty strong too. I can almost pick this bad boy up. So pro tip, if you guys didn't know, you can also use this cable to charge up your iPhone by this being USB-C to the lightning port. It will enable that fast charging to your iPhone. So let's go ahead for the first time and power this bad boy up. And I get, ooh, there we go. Now, one of the things that I want to point out with the brand new keyboard as it's loading up here is that we now have Touch ID on the actual keyboard in itself. So no longer having to type in those passwords that literally take forever to get into because then you get it wrong and then, you know, you got to retype it in and all of that. If you guys are paying on things that may use Apple Pay, then you also can use the fingerprint Touch ID for that. So let's go ahead and set this up. So it's telling me I need to turn on the mouse as well as turn on the keyboard. All right, so we get the hello message here on the screen. Hola. All right, so this is the new part I was telling you guys about, which is being able to set up Touch ID with the brand new Magic Keyboard. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up. Boom, super easy. Choose the look. I'm gonna go dark mode. All right, so giving some first initial impressions here while I get this. Ooh, that looks good. So they got a matching background to the iMac orange color, which is fire. So this is the dark mode color that you guys can see right here. So the first thing I wanna go ahead and test out here real quick is the camera. So let's go ahead and test the camera out real quick. All right, y'all, so this is a quick test of the M1 iMac camera, as well as using the microphones that is built in onto the M1 iMac as well. So let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. Is it good? Is it bad? Does it sound okay? Let me know. All right, so the first thing I want to test out here real quick is going to be the speakers. Here we go. So now here's an example of what the actual Touch ID is actually going to look like right here. So all I got to do now is just put my finger on it. Boom, it recognizes it. Bam, I'm in there. I don't have to type in my password. Man, that is clutch. Y'all don't understand how clutch that really is. And let's listen to what it sounds like. All right, we're gonna turn this bad boy up. Okay, so my impressions when it comes to the speaker system is that the speaker is actually pretty good. Now, it's not gonna be as good as like replacing desktop speakers or anything like that, but I will say, if you guys don't have the budget for speakers at the time, then I would say go ahead and just use these for like editing your videos and stuff like that, because the bass level quality in it is actually surprisingly pretty good. Now, it's not gonna get like crazy loud how I personally like it, which is why I think it's still gonna be a better option for you guys to get some external speakers, and I'll link the ones that I personally use down in the description section below. All right, so real quick, let's go ahead and talk about some of the things that I like about this iMac so far. Now, the first thing that I like is actually the look and design of it. Now, I do wish that we did have a blacked out bezel instead of the white frame. Even if going against my blue wall that I have here in the background, it actually fits well within the space. Now, the other thing here is that we get is this chin here on the bottom that a lot of people complain about. Honestly, not that big of a deal for me. I do know a lot of people still use like post-it notes and everything like that that they'll put down at the bottom. Now, the other thing I gotta say is in regards to the camera quality. Camera quality is okay. I don't think it's like the greatest. It's definitely a bump up from what we got in the past. As well as I gotta say, the audio quality coming out of the microphones from this thing is definitely top notch for sure. Definitely top level type stuff. Now, another thing I do like that I got a chance to actually test out with this is the fingerprint Touch ID. So for example, if we wanna go ahead and lock this machine, now if I wanna go ahead and log right back in, all I gotta do, boom, and I'm in. It's super, super quick. That alone to me makes this definitely worth it for sure. Now I'm gonna be doing some more videos around this, like testing it with the M1 iMac and see if you can actually use it with that. So definitely stick around for that. All in all, man, I gotta say, it's actually pretty good. I also like the speaker quality on it. I think the speakers on it is pretty good, but I'm really loving the back of this thing though, man. The back of this thing is, I mean, it's a work of art, y'all. It's super light, man. And then also if you look at how thin this thing is, it's just crazy razor thin. And now you also get the headphone jack here that you guys gonna be able to plug in. One last thing that I didn't actually test out that I want to actually test out, and that is Apple TV. All right, so one of my favorite shows, if you guys haven't watched it, is called Amazing Stories. Amazing Stories is a fire show. Highly recommend y'all check this out. Like if you into like good like sci-fi style stories, it's really good. So let's go ahead and play one real quick. Damn, this screen looks crazy good. Now another thing you guys can do is in connection with this is using Siri. So I can say things like, hey, skip forward 20 seconds. And boom, just like that, you can have that option to be able to do that as well. Now, another cool thing that you can do that I forgot to actually mention, also with the Touch ID button, this also is going to be used to be able to lock your machine as well. So all you gotta do is just press it once, boom, you're gonna lock your machine just like you see here. And if you want to get back in, just rest your finger, boom, you're right back in. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys have any questions about the brand new M1 iMac, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing tons and tons of videos around this machine, letting you guys know how it's performing over time. Is it worth you guys' money? As well as I'm going to be doing some more testing and stuff with the actual keyboard, as well as the mouse in itself, as well as playing with the audio and FaceTime, Zoom calls, all of that. I'm also going to be editing this video that you guys are watching right now on this machine instead of my M1 Mac Mini. So, and letting you guys know how that performed as well. But other than that, man, thanks again for watching. See you guys in the next one. Squad. Okay, iMac, let's play.
M1, it's May. Bossed up cause it's my birthday. Undressing like I'm trying to get the first base. With these chips, man, they leading it in first place. With all these colors, man, I'm trying to catch the bouquet. Tell me what you need, more bars, greed halfway. Touch the keys, never freeze, let it breathe. Matching needs, man, please. Magic mouse in the house, when in doubt, let it out, gain clout, let's route. If you rock with this intro, hit the like button. If you proud, it's a sub, say it loud. Let's get this video poppin', spit some facts, break it down one time for the squad. Squad. One time for the squad. One time. One time for the squad.